Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to share with you how to clear watch history and free up space in two ways on TikTok. Let's begin. Open TikTok app in your mobile phone. Tap on search icon on the top right corner. Then in the search box, just type dot. After that, tap on search button. Now tap on View your watch history. Tap on Filter by date. Click on All dates. Then click on Apply. You can select one by one or select All watch history. After that, tap on Delete. Again, tap on Delete. Now all watch history deleted. No watch history available. Technique number 2, tap on Profile at the bottom of the corner. Tap on 3 dash in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Free Up Space. Click there. To clear your cache, tap on Clear. Again, tap on Clear. Do same thing here also. Click on Clear. Again, tap on Clear. Now all history clear. Alright friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.